Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode in Evernote. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Evernote app and log in using your credentials. Once you're logged in and can see your main dashboard, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see your name displayed there. Go ahead and click on it to reveal a menu of options. From the menu that appears, locate and select Settings. This will open up your Evernote settings panel where you can customize various aspects of the app to match your preferences and workflow needs. Now, once the settings panel opens, you'll need to scroll down through the different options available. Keep scrolling until you locate the Appearance section. This is where Evernote stores all the visual customization options for the app, including themes and display settings. Below the Appearance section, you'll see the dark mode option. Next to it, there's a circle or toggle switch. Simply click on this circle to enable dark mode. Once you click it, the interface will immediately switch to a darker color scheme, which is easier on the eyes, especially during nighttime use or in low-light environments. Dark mode also helps reduce eye strain during extended work sessions and can even save battery life on devices with OLED screens. And that's it. You've successfully enabled dark mode in Evernote, giving your workspace a sleek, eye-friendly appearance. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.